Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa verde with avocado. First, gather your fresh ingredients like tomatillos, jalapenos, and a ripe avocado. Next, we'll roast the vegetables to bring out their natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Then, we'll blend everything together until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Finally, we'll season it perfectly for a delicious, homemade salsa. To start, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Have your tomatillos and remove their papery husks. Place the tomatillos, along with 1 or 2 jalapenos and 1/4 of an onion, on a baking sheet. Roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are softened and slightly charred. This roasting step is key for developing a rich, smoky flavor. Once your roasted vegetables have cooled slightly, transfer them to a blender or food processor. Add a handful of fresh cilantro, 1 clove of garlic, and the juice of 1/2 of a lime. Now, for that wonderful creaminess, add 1 ripe avocado. Blend all the ingredients until the salsa is smooth and well combined, scraping down the sides as needed. Now it's time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt to your preference and a little more lime juice if you like a brighter flavor. If you prefer more heat, you can add another small piece of jalapeno. For a touch of balance, a pinch of sugar can be added. Serve your fresh salsa verde with avocado immediately, or chill it for about 30 minutes for the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.